With only one command in Kali Linux, I can change my IP and location, my MAC address, and my host name. This will make me completely anonymous when using Kali Linux. Now to do this, search for Kali Anonymous, GitHub. Click on the first GitHub link. This is the official GitHub repo. Now if you are burning before you download any tool, always review and double check the tool before downloading. The tool might contain malicious code. I'm doing this for demonstration purposes only. One of the way to check it is with the star and the fork. This will tell you how popular the tool is, which in this case is quite high, meaning that the tool is popular. One of the other way to check it is with the actual code itself. So if you do not know coding, double check with ChatGPT and go through every line what the tool is doing. So in this case the tool looks fine to me. So I'll download the tool in my machine by clicking on code under HTTPS. I'll copy the link. In my terminal, I'll first change to the desktop directory and download the tool with the command git clone and paste the link. I can now see the tool is downloaded in my desktop directory. I'll change to this directory. Inside this directory, I can see we have the setup file. So we need to make this file executable, and we can do this with the command chmod +x and the name of the file, which is setup. And now I can see this file is executable. So let's execute this file with the command sudo space // and the name of the file, which is setup. Another file is installing in our machine. Now it is asking me, is Tor installed on this computer? And if unsure, I'm not sure if Tor is installed in this computer, so I'll type N and press enter. It is again asking me, is Mac Changer installed on this computer? And if unsure, I'm not sure, so N and press enter. And now the tool is installed in my system. To start the tool, I'll type sudo anonymous start. It is asking me, do you want to change the MAC address? I'll say yes. And we have to choose an interface. So I'll open another tab and check my interfaces with IP space A. And I can see I have two interfaces. This is the interface that is connected to the internet. So I'll choose this interface, and the MAC address of this interface ends in 5D. So I'll choose it0 here. And it is asking me, do you want to change the local host name? I'll say no. And do we want to route traffic through the Tor network? This will change our IP and location. So I'll say yes. And now if I check my MAC address again, I can see my MAC address has changed. It ends in 0E. If I open my browser and go to the site dnsleaktest.com, I can confirm my IP and location has changed. You can check the status of the tool with the command sudo anonymous status, and it is showing my host name, my IP, and it is also telling me that the Tor is on. If we want to stop the tool, I will type sudo anonymous stop, and it is again asking me, do you want to change the MAC address? I'll say no. Do we want to change the local host name? No. It gives me the option to delete unnecessary files to preserve my privacy. I'll say yes, and the irrelevant files are deleted. So this is how to be anonymous on Kali Linux. If you like this video and want to watch more content related to anonymity or Kali Linux, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.